tell you a story about my friend. Her name is Lumie. She's a little lantern who lives in a village made of light, with all the fireflies, and inside her is a special, bright spark. She loves to share her light to help everyone. But every time she shares it, her own light gets a little smaller.
When we help, we shine brighter.
See you later, little sparks!
One day, a really big storm came. It was so loud.
The storm! It's here! Everybody inside now! The storm! It's here!
And the bridge in the village broke. My other friend, Nutty the squirrel, was stuck on the other side with some scared baby birds. It was so dark, and the wind was so strong. Everyone was afraid. But then Lumie said, "Let them help."
Slippy! Helping me means giving everything! Even when it's scary! Watch closely. This is how we share our light.
She went out into the storm. She used her light like a brave little path through the dark.
Everyone, I got you, little buddy. Nutty's on the job. Got you again. I meant to do that. A tactical
roll.
Come here, little chirper. You're okay.
Stay bright. Stay bright.
Left, no, right, no, tree!
I can still shine 9. But the storm was really strong. Lumie's light started to get smaller and weaker. She whispered, "Being kind means sharing, even when it's hard." Then she gave one last, super bright flash of light, and it helped them all get to safety. But after that, Lumie's light went out.
Please, let them be safe.
Thank you, Lumie.
When the morning came, Lumie was just sitting there, not glowing at all. It made me so sad. But then, one little firefly came down, then another, then lots of them. They all gathered around Lumie. They remembered her brave heart, and they started to share their own tiny lights with her. It was like 1,000 little thank yous! And then, gasp! Lumie's spark came back. It flickered, and then it glowed, even brighter than before.
You saved me this time. That's what friends do.
That night, the whole village had a party of lights. Lumie taught us the best lesson. She taught us that true friends help each other shine.
You know what Lumie's story teaches us? It teaches us that being kind is brave. It teaches us that sharing makes us stronger together.
That's what friends do.
And it teaches us that even the smallest light can chase away the biggest dark. So let your kindness shine, okay? just like Lumie.
And it teaches us that even the smallest light can chase away the biggest dark.